Hey guys, so it's Noah here, and I wanted to show everybody that we're getting new carpet here. As you can see, it looks very nice. It's a beige color, beige gray. Yep, so I'm using a, and there's more in here. There's a cardboard helix. I'm doing it in there. The arm is up there. When these guys were getting ready to vacuum, they had the crevice tool down there. I was like, that's going to reduce the suction. Yeah, so I was using my Hoover Quick Broom right here, my Hoover Encore Quick Broom, to keep the big pathway clean because they had carpet, because they had all that on the floor. I wanted to keep the floor clean as much as possible. So there's the padding, all the furniture is moved out. My furniture upstairs is moved into the attic. So padding right here.
I had one right there at the edge of the closet.
Looks good.
Hard both ways.
Yep. So we'll keep y'all updated. We'll see how it goes.